We're getting to the good part. So she's all cased up. That is not the correct time or date. I'm getting to that. I did have one unexpected materials failure. This is the ring that sits around the dial underneath this, around the rotating ring, and it holds the gasket. Yours, going through, the plating just ripped off. It was really odd because these parts are one of these parts that kind of you almost never need to replace, because I don't know why, they're easy to come by, so pretty weird. Anyway, there's an NOS one. I think that's probably better. Your indicator ring, I cleaned up the surface a little, so it was faded enough around here that it almost was going it was almost going inverted, where the silver looked darker than the surround. I just cleaned it. I firmed that up. That's all your original loom. Little cleaned up. Okay, there that is. Ring is in place. That's your ring spring. Spring washer is what they call it. We have your NOS diddly. And there's that. So now I've just got to put the gasket in, the new crystal, snap on your bezel, and we'll be good to go. And then we'll be back for the recap. The signal's a little noisy because the case and the movement don't hold solidly together until the case back is screwed down. So it's giving you kind of a, I don't know, kind of a muddy signal. I'm going to kick that up a little bit, but the different positions I've been looking at have been great. Okay, I am gonna look at those bead errors real quick, but not at this exact minute. That was kind of creepy. Well, let's see. Let's see if I can do this real quick. Again, it looks rough because I'm handling it and it's loose in the case. So don't think that I am... I'm not getting any movement there, am I? Let's go back. Okay, still haven't come in. I guess I am going the wrong way. Weird. Almost there. Okay, that's noisy, but I want to go ahead and close it up for now. I'm going to do my final cyclotron testing, and we'll go from there. Oh, but this is the end of the workday. It's been running for about... There she is, off the cyclotron and ready to party. So that's all your original loom. The time and the date are correct. Yes, it's almost midnight. Not bad. I mean, Thanks to the second, almost, what, 8 seconds, 9 seconds behind? The dial and the hands are beautiful. Original loom is beautiful. It's a beautiful watch. It's original. It has a nice feel to it. Your indicator ring turns smoothly through 365 degrees, as it should. I cleaned up all the loom, as I said. It's really, the dial and the hands really, for me, make it. And that beautiful red, it's this great color combo that Seiko came up with, and that thankfully they brought back. We see this color combo in the new SAA GMTs that they just came out with. I'm just chatting to sort of let this thing go around. So when we reset this, we let it go past top dead center to about there. Click. There it is. Now I do have a lighter reset on this. So sometimes if the sweep gets all the way down here, you don't want to do a hard reset. So I make this reset lighter. I do recommend that if you're timing something and you're done timing whatever the heck it is, and the hand is down here in this area, run it again until the hand is right in this area before resetting. It's just gonna help protect the watch, protect the chronograph wheel. You need to tell me if this bracelet is the right length for you. Let's see, we got 5, 11. Anywhere between 11 and 13 is normal. I think that might be a 7.5, 7 1/4. In any case, thank you so much for sending this in. I appreciate it. It was fun. And I look forward to getting this onto your wrist so you can run around and do what I do, which is time things. Okay, thank you so very much.